my first video is pretty high. So I'm going to show you how to fix a disc for Xbox 360. And you kind of just need whatever toothpaste and just put it around your teeth like this. Rub it for like 25 minutes, 5 minutes, or to get dry. So goes like this. Oh yeah, if you want, so I let it dry out too, but it's still kind of dry. I mean, it's still, it's not dry yet, but if you want to, you could like put it in your thing. Wait, what I mean about thing, I mean like the fan. Yeah, let me bring my. So what you're gonna do, just plug your thing, your fan. See my fan right here. Oh shoot, I don't know if you can see it. Fan, there's hot, but the air, put cold. There's air if you have one. And then we're just going to just put the disc. And then dry. And put it closer. Closer. So yeah. So kind of so then now it's gonna do when it's all dry. You will put it in the wet your disc nice and like this. Take it off. Water. Take everything off. And once we get all the things done, we can have like this to most of the thing off. So you just have to take it off the whole toothbrush. Take everything out. You can't leave don't leave like toothpaste on it. So then what you do, you have it just like this. Shiny, see how it's shiny? See how it's shiny? And then when it doesn't, you let it dry, and then when you're done with that, you just have to put more toothpaste, but this is gonna be different. Okay. So now that we dry that out, it's gonna be with water, and I think with water it's gonna be better. So like here, but leave a lot of toothpaste on it now, like, a lot on it. Like this is how I'm doing it. Yeah, leave like all white. Yeah, you can't leave a mess. Like you can't leave this white silver thing. And then you have to get a little bit more of the toothbrush thing, and then put a little bit more. Or it's mostly like a lot of lines. You should put like more on it and dry it out. And if the disc has a lot of on it, then you may put a lot, waste the whole toothbrush. It's like I'm doing like right now. If you want to put a different toothbrush, you may do this. Like I'm doing the blue toothpaste, and then so I did the white and the blue toothpaste. So, see, I have the the toothpaste on it. It should look like rub it all over. Look like this. Like once again, you have to put it in your fan. Let it blow it all up. If you don't have a fan, I recommend you to put a type better. I think that's gonna look better on it. And then if you have a fan, you could like put it on there for like what you want, and then you could like, if you don't have a fan, if you don't want to put it outside, then what you can do, just blow it like, if you get tired, then just leave it, let it dry. And then when you let it dry, you're tired already blowing it, then you have to then you have to rest for a little, and then it's going to get dry. It's going to get a little bit dry, and then it's going to get drier and drier when you like blow it, and then when you blow it off, and then you get tired again, and then you let it there for a little while, and then it helps. It's supposed to look like this now. So then now, it's so hard to put it out. There, just polish. There's not that much. So there you go. So that's you like do it, put a lot, but then you put actually like 5 times of the toothpaste, 5 times, or how much you want if it's a like thing. And when you did like that, you have to you stop at 5 or 6. Just let it dry. You're supposed to put your hand like that, and then it's gonna have like spiky things, and then you can let it do that. If you want to scratch, if you don't want to scratch here, like mine is kind of scratched, then you could put it on it too. Well, I recommend you not to, but if you want to, you could. I don't recommend you to do it, but I'm just gonna do it so you can make it shiny. Just gonna dry it off. Dry it off. When you're done with that, you we're gonna this is you have to do the machine. If you want to, then you could. So let me think. And so it has to get dry. So guys, so definitely when I put in my fan, it needs to get a little bit dry, because see how it's getting. And then what you're definitely supposed to do is you want to go like faster. You have to put all your breath like breathe and with your fan if you even do it outside. So yeah, I'm not done with the video, but let's see then. Here's the disc. So now it's like kind of dry. This part's not actually not quite dry right here. But just gonna like wash it off. It's very